Hi guys, today I was trying to build a Tesla and I forgot to record. It was a good idea. So this is basically what I did for the front bumper and for the body. I did that um for the bed, and I didn't change the lights. I didn't change the what are they called again? Rims? Yeah, I forgot. And I used those. And then the lights, I chose this one right here. And I put a spoiler because for more downforce. Did not put a light at the front. Also put a winch, as you can see, and a repair pack. And for the wheel itself, I did this one. Same with the back, with metallic yellow. Did not beadlock it. I went with these all-terrains. I'm pretty sure that's what they are, because they basically mastered every single spec. Mastered it. I did not put any wraps on it. And for tuning, access width, 0.3, dampening. Yeah, you guys get the gist of it. So that's basically what I did. And since I want to keep this being realistic, I put a realistic tire size. And I'm gonna do a dyno again for you guys to see how overly powerful this thing is. Yeah, 1,700 horsepower. That's insane. So I'm gonna drive it for you guys to see how good it is. I'm gonna go on custom maps and like crawling with long trails. Oh yeah, I forgot to tell you guys I put a turbo on it, but I don't know how you're supposed to put a turbo on a Tesla. Yeah, how are you supposed to put a turbo on Tesla? I don't know. Four-wheel drive and walking it. Well, the sounds of the Tesla. Tesla can sound whatever it likes, cause they don't even make a sound, so you can make it sound like anything you want. So at least that's pretty good. Probably gonna bust this thing before I actually have fun with it. Yeah, it's definitely not climbing that. Because these tires are these tires are small. I like bigger tires. This spot, can it climb up there? No. Yeah, I did not think it would climb that. I don't think any of my vehicles can climb that. Fix it up and make it. Damn it. Oh! How did it do that? I did not expect that at all. a crazy amount of torque. Maybe I should make a speed version of this, like with small wheels. I'm gonna test it in mud now to see if it's better or not. This Tesla truck, I did test its rock climbing ability before I realized I forgot to record, but I did not test it in mud yet. In mud, this is really thick mud, so it's pretty good. It's actually pretty average when it comes to mud. The real question is, can it climb this? Right here. Come on. Yeah. Can't climb it. Repair it for more torque. It's barely doing it. Yeah, it stopped. Now it's gonna spin. Yeah. Not gonna do that. Now, how am I supposed to get back up there? Okay. Yeah, it's gonna take a while. I'm just gonna use my winch. That's easy enough. Almost fell off. Almost fell off again. I am a terrible driver. Why did it do that? Really good in this timing ability though. Rock crawling, it's really good at it. Putting bigger tires on this Tesla might help it a lot more rock crawling. Yeah, it actually help a lot more. And the snow is... Wait, yep, pretty good on the snow. Yeah, I fell off. But there you have it, guys. A fully built Tesla. A realistic one, too. Bye, guys.